What can your certification tester do in 6 seconds? With Test Pro in 6 seconds, we could do quite a bit. I'm going to connect my testers at opposite ends of a cable link, and notice we immediately get a wire map. I don't have to push any buttons. I'm going to go ahead and run an auto test. In 6 seconds, we're going to get our results, and this test includes all of the optional parameters within the standards, not just the required standards. You'll see this is a Cat6a permanent link ++, which includes the parameters of DC resistance unbalance for pass-fail, and we can see that right here. And it also includes TCL and ELTCTL. It's important to note that Test Pro runs these tests all the time, and they're included in every test. If you don't choose the ++ limit, these results will be shown as informational. And you can always recertify in the Test Data Pro PC software if you meant to test it as a ++ and only tested it as a Cat6a. You can also recertify from as low as a Cat3 test up to Cat6a++. And that is the Test Pro auto test for Cat6a++. And again, this is all done in 6 seconds. I'm just going to save that test. Comparable testers might take you anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds to do the same thing. Visit our website at www.aem-test.com for more information.